Lakshmi Krishnamurthi's day today, pan-Indian traditional paintings done over a period of last 30 years. She's heading the Kalakshetra Institution, Fine Arts Department. She heads the Fine Arts Department and she's done many workshops. She's also curated a lot of folk painting exhibitions, folklore and all that. She's very actively involved in the Chennai art scenario. She has touched upon various styles of Indian paintings, starting from Kerala murals to Thanjavur paintings, frescoes of Rajasthan, miniatures, and her own contemporary interpretation of the traditional paintings. And Lakshmi is well known for the fresco, which is disappeared in the south. So she is kind of reviving it in a way by teaching and doing workshops on fresco.
We're very happy at Dakshin Chitra to host Lakshmi Krishnamurthi's paintings. I think it's a very interesting and very unusual exhibition, and she also has her own style and form. I also like her use of natural colors because it gives a very subtle texture to the paintings and a very beautiful palette that she uses. Completely, the techniques, the forms, the colors, the fact that she's used natural colors on her paintings, I think that's a wonderful tribute to the traditions. And you've done a class act. You've done a very, yes. So we're very happy to have her paintings here, and like to thank Lakshmi.
I know artist Lakshmi Krishnamurthy for more than 30 years, both in a personal way and also in a professional way. And the works are not produced overnight. They are produced after severe amount of research and a lot of draft sketches and ideology preparations and exposition of these on the canvas, or not canvas, in many cases multimedia, is the forte of her presentations. She is an expert in most of the traditional arts, if you call them pan-India arts. I don't know how many people would have this gamut of skill in various kinds of media and techniques and the research which goes into this particular art form, if I'll call it that way.
I've always been interested in her art because she has been connected with Dakshin Chitra. She has been also president of Friends of Dakshin Chitra, which is a group attached to Dakshin Chitra, which helps Dakshin Chitra get funds and improve the facilities of the center.
Walking around this gallery today and seeing all these different beautiful artwork, it's like seeing my grandmother's lifetime of work and research just coming to life just all around us. It's absolutely fantastic. Great job, Lakupati.
She is one of the gurus who has assimilated not only within herself but also created a keen interest among her various students.
I've also studied art with my mom, so I've actually seen her, how she prepares her own Thanjavur boards and the colors she mixes, and her concept behind each and every one of the paintings. I can see all the little stories that she tells us about each and every one of her paintings, and all the different techniques that she's used, and how she is trying to take forward all the older techniques and methods and kinds of paintings into this century in her very own and very unique way. and she's also been using many different techniques in one painting. So you will find a glass painting overlaid over a Tanjavur board, etc. So she's done these multi-layered effects also in her works, and I wish her all the best, and I am very proud to be her daughter.